everyone, welcome to my channel Rohi's Crafting. I went for shopping in Bazaar Kolkata. So there are many clothes I liked. First only one, and that one is this blue one. The back side is whole blue and the front is very cute. I liked it very much, so I think I will take it, but we will see all the clothes then. And I chose another one. I'm taking it out. There are many white, that's why I can't take it out. So this one, this is also so cute. I liked it also, and I think I will also take that.
Two hearts running wild.
So this is the another one I chose. This was okay, not bad good. So I will take that. I also think it looked very big for me, but it was 8-9 only because I am 8 now. And this, wow, I liked it very much. And yes, this one I liked it very much. This is very stylish also, and there was written best hashtag influencer, and there was a belt also for fashion. And if you think you can take it out, but you can't take it out. So we went searching for short pants, and there was one yellow. It was looking like boys, but it was girls only. I was seeing all the pants, and then I saw my dad. Before that, I was keeping it like it was. Then I went to my dad. Here he is. He's seeing some dresses and not dress, it's t-shirts. These t-shirts were also good, but we have taken many. And this is for my mom. She likes many, and he is done billing. Now we will go out. So next we came to Metro Bazaar, but the uncle didn't give us to do video. Then we went to city center. We enjoyed a lot, and we ate noodles and some fried rice, and my favorite, thumbs up. Then we went home as usual, and this is the next day. We were going to my grandmother's house. I like it very much, and see, we came also. So I was very excited, and this is the next day we were going for a trip. So it was very rainy day, but still we enjoyed a lot. And I went there for 7 days only. So I saw Hajar Duwari. There were many things. If you want to see our fun, then you have to go to our another channel, My Sweet Life with Rohi. There only you will get the full video of our fun. And I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. And if you like, then like and subscribe my video. If you subscribe and like my video, you will get more videos like this, crafting, shopping, many things. So that's for today. Bye.